Is your engine shaking like a leaf and flashing a check engine light for cylinder 11? You might be dealing with code P0292, and ignoring it could wreck your catalytic converter. This code generally means there is a circuit high condition, which is a technical way of saying the fuel injector for cylinder number 11 is drawing too much current, operating poorly, or has stopped working entirely. Since most standard cars do not have 11 cylinders, you are likely looking at a heavy-duty truck, a van, or a high-performance vehicle with a V12 or larger engine. When this code triggers, you will notice the engine running rough, especially at idle, and you are going to feel a significant lack of power when you try to accelerate. Your fuel economy will drop, and you might smell raw gas. The computer, or PCM, is telling you that the electrical flow to that specific injector is abnormal. This is often caused by a bad electrical connector, a damaged wiring harness, or the injector itself has failed internally. In the United States, we use fuel that often contains ethanol, like E10. Ethanol attracts moisture, and that water vapor can corrode the internals of an injector over time, increasing friction and causing it to short out. To fix this, you need to get your hands dirty. First, check technical service bulletins for your specific make and model, as this could be a known manufacturer defect. If not, pop the hood and locate cylinder 11. Inspect the connector for that injector. Look for bent pins or corrosion. Apply some dielectric grease and make sure it snaps back on tight. You can also try the screwdriver trick. Place the handle of a long screwdriver to your ear and the tip on the injector while the engine runs. If you hear a rhythmic clicking, it is working mechanically. If it is silent, it is dead. You should also use a multimeter to check the resistance. Disconnect the injector and touch the probes to the two terminal blades. You are looking for 0.5 to 2.0 ohms. If the resistance is way off, the injector is bad and needs replacing. If the resistance is good but it is clogged, you can try a direct injection cleaner kit. This involves pulling the fuel pump fuse, connecting a canister of cleaner to the fuel rail test port, and running the engine on the cleaner until it stalls. If that does not clear the code after a reset, you need to buy a new injector. If you are uncomfortable working with high-pressure fuel lines, take it to a professional immediately to avoid melting your catalytic converter.